color experiments. This is our next secondary experiment. We need equipment, three cups, scoop, stirring stick. Material from kit: red color, yellow color, blue color. Materials from home: water, milk. Fill all 3 cups with the water halfway with water. Add 1 scoop of milk to each cup. Half 10 ml or 15 ml. बस बोल लेना. Yeah. Okay. Now other one. Now last one. Now we need to add 2 drops of blue color in the last cup, yellow color in the second cup, and red in the first cup. But we can also red in the first cup. 1 drop, 2 drop. Colors, huh? It's orange. These 3 are called primary colors, and you have to stir it well. Now put 2 drops of yellow color in the red cup. Now see and stir, it changes to orange. See, it turned into orange. Add the 2 similar red color to the blue color. It will turn into purple. See. Yay, it's purple. Blue drops into yellow. I have added 2 drops of blue into the cup. It will turn into green. Yay, it's green. Now we can try mixing. I'm mixing orange solution with the green solution. Orange solution. Need to pick this all up. Put orange solution 5 ml and solution into the orange solution. It turned to brown. This was all about colors. Now we are gonna do experiment 6. We'll see you in the next experiment. Bye.